So this is just going to be a short video on how to fit some Paddock Stand Bobbins to a Lexmoto Tempest. I like to put my bike away in the winter. I like to make them fairly safe and secure, and without a centre stand I'm never very happy leaving them sort of leaning over all winter. So what I've used in the past is paddock stands, and you can see that the fittings on that stand are such that they're multi-use and they fit underneath the swing arm, but getting it to position right and knowing exactly where to position them has always been a problem. Then I noticed on the Super Soco that I use, there's nowhere to fit any other way of doing it, but on the Lexmoto Tempest we have these little lugs either side, which I imagine are probably for fitting the paddock stand bobbins. So I thought I'd give it a try, modify the paddock stand that I've got and see how we got on. You can see there's a spacer in there, which may be for a particular type of stand, but not the type that I've got. So what I've got to do is fit some bobbins on the outer side. So what I've got are these little beauties, which I got from Demon Tweaks. So all I've got to do is take that bolt out and replace it with these. So let's have a go at that now. So out with the old boat, and in with the new one. Let's see how that goes. There we go, one bobbin fitted, and it's pretty much out of the way of everything. So all we've got to do now is just change the one on the other side. I will point out that the bolts that these came with were too short, because normally this would fit straight into the arm, but we have got that spacer, so you need extra long bolts, which I just happen to have in my stock. Okay, so that's all done. So all that remains now is just to fit the adapters, these little things here, which hook nicely under there, which will fit onto that paddock stand that I've got. So I've just got to change the adapters, and with any luck we should be ready to go. These again came from Demon Tweaks. I'll kick these over onto the back. Pull out the circlips. things, these. Pull those arms out. Swap the springs over. And that should be going. We'll have them that way round. Yeah. Oops. Just get the bike into position. Steady it up. And there you go. Job done in just a few minutes. And fitted. A few pounds spent. And a nice, safe, secure paddock stand. For storing the bike away in the winter. Hope that's been useful. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up below.